Hi guys, today I'll teach you how to make a mug cake in a microwave. These are the ingredients you need for the same. 4 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons oil, 3 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, and 4 tablespoons of plain flour in it, and 1 egg. Mix all the dry ingredients in a mug which is microwave safe. The flour, sugar, and the cocoa powder. Then mix the egg in the mixture. Pour the oil and the milk. Mix well so that there aren't any lumps in the mixture. Microwave it for about 3 minutes. When it's done, take it out and put a skewer inside the cake. If it comes out clean, your cake is fully cooked. If it doesn't, keep it for a few more minutes. Thank you.